Welcome back, friends. Today a new video for Car Tech playlist. Last time we tried out Wiper Wizard tool for restoring old window wiper blades, but it didn't work out. We also tried out ECOCUT Pro Wiper Blade Cutter, but it was also kinda eh. So today we'll show you how to easily change Volvo S60 front windscreen old wiper blades. Before this, you should buy matching wiper blades for your car. You could say it's a lottery until you find ones that you like. I bought Champion EF60 wiper blades for my old Volvo S60. Why did I choose them? I guess package was kinda cool. Usually on the back of the package you can see which cars will fit these wiper blades, and they can be easily bought by anyone without the help of a store manager. As well as very often there are illustrations that show you how to replace them. It's certainly not rocket science. Let's do the usual unboxing, but be careful and don't lose some of its parts like I usually do. Once we have found all missing parts around the place, we can read the extended manual on how to replace wiper blades. Remove the old wiper blade. It's easy, just squeeze the pin from both sides and lift the wiper blade out of its holder. This is how the old wiper blade's attachment looks like. You're currently looking at a weapon that can make changing your car window wiper blades bazillion times more expensive. If it smacks the windshield, you'll also have to replace it and not just wiper blades. Be very careful. Maybe cover your windshield with jacket or something to save your wallet. Take your new wiper blade and put it on just like you removed the old one, only to the opposite way. It's not hard, just some hand tricks and blade is in its place. Now carefully lower it down on the windshield. Spray some water on top of the windshield to test our new wiper blades. You'll be able to see the real picture when driving during rainy weather. I also advise you to change wiper blades on the passenger side, because as we can see it didn't sweep very well. Both wiper blades can be replaced in the same way. As always, thanks for watching. Leave a comment about which manufacturer's wiper blades you are using for your car. Don't forget to smash those like and subscribe buttons to support us in making these DIY videos. And for now, goodbye.